Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday. So in today's video, I will share with you my Christmas gift. That is my first pair of luxury earring from Cleef Arpels. In this video, I will share with you some model shots and I will tell you why I choose to buy this size, and also will give you some size comparison. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Here is the box, and meanwhile I will insert some clip when I open the box. So I received this one right before the Christmas. This piece I ordered it online, and actually this piece I've been waiting for a long time. Every time they don't have it available online, and I asked my SA, and he also doesn't have it in the boutique. He has to order for me. So instead I asked him to order for me. I rather to order myself. So in here, I think I mentioned one time, this is my second time I order online. If you guys like this package, this is velvet. It's a very it is a very nice package. I ordered this mother of pearl. This was my first time online, and I got the same package. This is a magnetic closure, and it is velvet. It's a very nice package. And according to my friend, she told me if I order on the boutique, I'm probably not able to receive like this kind of package. So this is only you order online. So this is just for your information. If you are buying something online, you will get this kind of package, which I think is very nice. You can definitely reuse this box. You can put anything you want. You can put your socks or anything you can think about it. This is the first thing I want to share with you. So if you don't ask your SA to order for you, you order by yourself. So you get this kind of package. The package comes like this, and everything is inside, including the shopping bag, also the booklet, including the certificate. I ordered it December 21st. I received it, I think, December 23rd. It's 2 days before Christmas. Give you the pouch. So here is the item I ordered, and this is actually my first pair of the luxury earring. Here is the one. Come like that. Here is the one. This is the one. This is the onyx in a sweet size, not in a vintage size. I'm gonna show you, and I already tried it on. So I will show you the size difference between the sweet and the vintage size, and I tell you why I want to have this size, and I will give you some model shots. Here are the earrings. And now let me show you the vintage size, which I have the necklace vintage size, so I can compare. So here is the vintage size, so I'm gonna put it on side by side. You can see the difference. So this is the size difference, the vintage and the sweet size. So this is the side by side, you can see. So the size has a huge difference, as you can see. And for the earring, I really wanted to have a small size. I mentioned it because I don't have like a big ear. So I'm gonna show you the model shot. So this is the back. To close is you need to push these two. So you see that like that, and you close that. So when you take it out, you also need to push and take it out. Now over there, you will stuck. Move in a little bit. And when you take it out, you take it out. Move in like that. Once you get used to it, it's pretty easy. But when I first wear, I did struggle a little bit. So difficult and making my ears so red, and I just cannot take it out. So you need to try a couple times, like take it out in and out, and like that. So it's pretty safe. You're not gonna lose the earring that easy because you have to manually to push, then you take it out. So this is how it looks. It's perfect. I do feel very comfortable because it is not too big. So if I put the vintage size to my ear, you will see. So this is the vintage size if goes to my ear. So obviously it is very big. Sweet is a very dainty and it's just perfect size. However, if you are thinking to buy the necklace, I highly recommend it buy the vintage size. I do have a video to compare with the mother of a pearl. For the earring, I really think depends on you. If you do like a bigger size, it's kind of like a pop-up, the bigger one, and you definitely can go for it. But for myself, this size I think really good for me. That's the reason I purchased this one. I do love the size, and also I did see some people wear the vintage size and half of them is heading outside. But this one I feel like a diamond star. It's a very dainty and you even can sleeping with that without any problem. I do notice people complain about the post is a little bit too short. So the Van Cleef, they do have the policy you can extend the post, make it longer, so it will be easier to wear. But I think that they have a certain time limit. Within the 3 months they can to extend the post for you. After that you have to pay. I forgot how much they charge for, but for me I feel it's a perfect. I don't need to extend it, and the closure is pretty safe. I did hear people saying that the sweet size is really not worth to purchase because it cannot even see the earring. So it depends how you like it. If you want to have a pop-up look, definitely can choose the vintage size. But if you want dainty and wear very comfortable, then I highly recommend it go for the sweet size. As I mentioned it, I don't recommend it to buy the necklace for the sweet size. And the first of all, it is very small. The second is the pendant. It's easy to move, so constantly you need to adjust it, make the pendant to the center. So this is the biggest problem for the sweet size. Other one I highly recommend it to buy the vintage size for the necklace is, you know, when you buy the sweet size, over the time you maybe think it is too small, then you will think to buy another piece of the vintage size. I think this is kind of like a waste of money. So why don't you first time you just buy a vintage size and it can last forever. You don't need to repurchase after a while. So that's how I feel. For the earring, I think it really depends your personal like. If you like dainty, you don't want to have a statement pieces, go for the sweet. Between the sweet size and the vintage size of the earring, it's about over $1,000 more. For myself, I do love the sweet size. I think it is the perfect on me. What do you guys think? So that's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.